Welcome to Synergy, the channel where we talk about money, business growth, and practical strategies that help you build real income using what you already know, without confusion or unrealistic promises. In today's video,
we are going to explore how to turn your skills into a high-income business, a topic that is extremely important if you want more financial control,
flexibility, and long-term growth. Many people have valuable skills but never learn how to monetize them properly, which keeps them trading time for limited income. In this video, I'll show the exact steps to turn skills into profitable businesses. So make sure you stay until the end, because each part builds on the previous one, and skipping any step can slow your progress. Before we begin, take a moment to support Synergy by liking this video, subscribing for more business and income building content, and commenting below, because your support allows me to continue creating clear and practical guides like this for you. Skills are now one of the most powerful assets, letting individuals earn income without large capital or traditional jobs. Unlike physical products, skills can be scaled, improved, and adapted to different markets. Businesses and clients are constantly looking for solutions, and skills provide exactly that. When you understand the value of your skills, you stop underpricing yourself and start thinking like a business owner.
This shift is the foundation of building high income from what you already know. The first step in turning skills into income is identifying which of your abilities have real market value. Many people underestimate their skills
because they feel natural or easy, but those are often the most valuable. Look at what people already ask you for help with, or what you do better than others. Your experience, not just formal education, plays a major role here. When you clearly identify your strongest skills, you can focus your energy on monetizing the right ones. Clarity at this stage prevents wasted effort later. High-income businesses are built by solving real and painful problems. A skill becomes valuable when it helps someone save time, make money, or reduce stress. Instead of asking what you can sell, ask what problems people are willing to pay to solve. Research your target audience and listen carefully to their challenges. When your skill directly addresses a real problem, selling becomes easier and more natural. Problem-solution alignment is what separates hobbies from profitable businesses. Turning skills into a business requires a mindset shift from being paid for time to being paid for value. Employees often think in hours, while business owners think in results and outcomes. This shift allows you to price your services higher and scale your income. You begin to focus on systems, efficiency, and client impact, rather than effort alone. Business thinking also encourages reinvestment and long-term planning. This mindset is essential for building high income. A high-income business needs a clear offer that communicates value instantly. Instead of offering many services, focus on one strong solution with a specific outcome. Customers should understand what they get, how it helps them, and why it matters. A clear offer builds trust and reduces hesitation. When your offer is simple and results-focused, it becomes easier and more effective. Strong offers convert skills into consistent income. Many skilled individuals struggle with pricing because they undervalue their expertise. High-income businesses price based on results, not effort or time. When you understand the impact of your skills, pricing becomes more logical and confident. Low pricing often attracts difficult clients and limits growth. Fair and strategic pricing allows sustainability and reinvestment. Confidence in pricing reflects confidence in your value. People buy from those they trust, especially in skill-based businesses. Building a personal brand helps position you as an authority in your field. Sharing knowledge, insights, and experiences builds credibility over time. Trust reduces resistance and increases conversion. A strong personal brand allows you to attract better opportunities without chasing clients. Consistency and authenticity are key in building trust. You do not need a large budget to attract clients if you use free platforms strategically. Social media, content platforms, and professional networks allow you to showcase your skills daily. Providing value consistently helps attract the right audience. Free platforms are powerful when used with focus and clarity. Over time, visibility turns into authority and income. This approach allows growth without heavy investment. To move from active income to scalable income, systems are essential. Systems allow you to serve more clients without working more hours. This may include templates, automation, or structured processes. Scaling your skills means separating income from time. Systems create efficiency, consistency, and growth. Without systems, income remains limited by effort. High-income businesses reinvest profits to accelerate growth. Reinvestment may include tools, education, or outsourcing repetitive tasks. This allows you to focus on high-value activities. Smart reinvestment improves efficiency and increases income capacity. Growth is faster when profits are used strategically. Reinvestment transforms income into long-term business assets. Many people fail to build high income because they skip fundamentals or chase shortcuts. Common mistakes include underpricing, lack of focus, and inconsistent effort. Trying to serve everyone often leads to serving no one effectively. Ignoring marketing and branding limits visibility. Avoiding these mistakes saves time and protects progress. Awareness is a powerful advantage. High income from skills is built through consistency and patience. Results rarely happen overnight, but steady action compounds over time. Long-term vision keeps you focused during slow periods. Consistency builds reputation and trust in the market. Small daily actions create strong momentum. Sustainable income comes from commitment, not quick wins. Turning your skills into a high-income business is possible when you combine clarity, confidence, and consistent action. You already have valuable skills, and with the right strategy, they can become a powerful source of income and freedom. Focus on solving real problems, creating strong offers, building trust, and scaling through systems. If this video provided value, support Frema Synergy by liking, subscribing, and commenting below with the skill you want to monetize. Because your decision to start today can change your financial future. Your skills are not just abilities, they are opportunities waiting to be used.